In this class, let's see how to work out the problem number 2, subdivision 1 of exercise 3.6. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So here we have seen two terms here, downstream and upstream. Let us understand these two terms first. What does the term downstream mean here? Just for you to understand better, see, this boat is going along the direction of the speed of the current of the river. The river is flowing this direction and the boat is also traveling the same direction of the speed of the water's direction. So here we can see that whenever you travel downstream, the speed of the boat increases. Let's imagine a situation where you walk downwards a slope here. Let us suppose you are walking downwards a slope. What happens here? You can find it easier to walk, isn't it? But whenever you walk upwards opposite to this direction of the slope, you find it difficult. You have to put more effort to walk the same distance. So same thing happens here. Downstream means you're walking along, or the boat is traveling along the direction of the river, of the speed of the current. Okay, along the current's direction. So here, what happens here is the speed of the boat increases with respect to the speed of the current here. So what will be the actual speed of the boat here? It will be x plus y, because the speed of the boat we have taken it as x here, and let us take the speed of the current to be y kilometers per hour. Therefore the speed of the boat will be x plus y. Okay, the speed of the boat is x plus y. Let us understand the term upstream here. Upstream means whenever the boat is traveling opposite the direction of the river's current, the boat is traveling upstream here, and what happens here is the speed of the boat decreases. The speed of the boat decreases with respect to the speed of the current. Here the speed of the boat decreases means the equation, speed of the boat's equation will be x minus y. Okay, x minus y is the speed of the boat. The actual speed of the boat decreases with respect to the speed of the current here, the river's speed here. Hope this is clear for you. These two terms are clear for you. Now we have found that the speed of the boat is x plus y upstream and the speed of the boat downstream is x minus y. Now let us go back to the question here. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. Here two cases are given here, downstream and upstream. We are going to frame one equation here and another equation with upstream, and we are going to solve these two equations and we are getting the value of x and y here. So the first case, the distance is given, time is given, and also speed is here. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance traveled downstream is 20 kilometers. It is given in the question here. The distance traveled downstream is 20 kilometers here. You can see here 20 kilometers and time is 2 hours. That means distance is equal to speed into time. 20 kilometers is equal to speed here is downstream is x plus y into 2. This is the time here, 2 hours. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. So this is the first equation we've got from the case 1, that is downstream. Now let us take the upstream case here. The time taken here is also 2 hours, whereas the distance traveled is only 4 kilometers. That means since distance is equal to speed into time, speed upstream we got earlier as x minus y. So speed into time is equal to distance upstream. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 4 here. Here when you verify these two equations, beg your pardon. So here you got the equation of upstream here. The speed of upstream is x minus y and time is 2 hours. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. This is equation 2 here. When you verify first equation, second equation, it is easier to do the elimination method because both the equations have the same coefficient for y variable and also the sign is different here. So there is no need to subtract since the sign is already different here. Just add these two equations. What happens when you add these two equations? 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. So when you add these two equations, you get it as 4x is equal to 24. That means x is equal to 25 by 4 is equal to 24 by 4 is equal to 6. And when you substitute the value of x in any of these two equations, you get the value of y here, and I've got it as 4. That means what is x here? X is the speed of the boat. We have taken speed of the boat as x kilometers and speed of the current as y kilometers. So we have to write the final statement as the speed of the boat is, therefore the speed of the boat is equal to 6 kilometers per hour and speed of the current is 4 kilometers per hour. You have to write this statement at last, otherwise half marks will be deducted. That means we have to write the final solution as speed of the boat is equal to x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour and speed of the current is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Hope this problem is clear.